Hi everyone. Asise Delhi Dwarka manungda coronavirus tagi protect tonaba na hand wash hand sanitizer ama layuba 1100 pi Himalaya gini ado price ne katang jamalle na tawbune daine receipt su lore do around 950 la hore moina adena price yam yamal na yenge na mo sticker amusu napamme so corona virus na maram moiraga mo price yam thina high koire adoina yenge na si sticker se lokhoke na lokhokne the actual price me amin 360 is the actual price. The double, more than double times they have increased. The concerned kanosing na khara yingshin bina ba na request tawba mayam dagi yam thina lut tawre 950 yari khai sumaina sticker nappa poche leibirano aduga alternate means haibadi ekoi alcohol gumba aloe vera gel gumba mix tawraga adum yari khai sinabiyo mayam public tagi paisa yamna chemist na aman yam hingatlaga lawre haiba pau yam su santoe and section biyo mayam. Thank you.